Namaste. Welcome to Wholesome Living Through Food, a gentle collaboration between yoga and you and home cooking. Here, we bring together the wisdom of conscious cooking and mindful movement. Today's recipe is a simple and nourishing horsegram rice. This is prepared to support digestion, balance and inner clarity. So let's begin. For this recipe, I have taken half a cup of horsegram. This is a 125 ml cup. Horsegram has to be soaked for at least 8 hours or overnight for better digestion. If you're making this for a lunchbox meal, soak it the previous night. To another bowl, I have taken 1 cup of raw rice. It's a 250 ml cup measurement. I have washed the rice a few times, pour enough water and soak it for at least half an hour. Remember, for every 1 cup of rice, use half cup of horsegram for the perfect balance. Heat a pressure cooker, add 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee. Once it is hot, add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds and roast them until fragrant. When the mustard seeds splatter, add 2 finely chopped onions, 10 cloves of garlic slightly pounded, 3 green chilies slit and saute them till the onions are soft and nice. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Adjust the spice level according to your taste. You can also add hing during the stage. It's optional but helps supporting digestion. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. Add 3 finely chopped tomatoes and mix again. Once the tomatoes are mushy, add the soaked horsegram to the onion tomato mixture. Stir everything together so that the flavors coat the horsegram evenly. To enhance the aroma, add fresh curry leaves and a handful of chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. Now add 3 cups of water and let it come to a nice rolling boil. Adjust the salt if needed. Now add the soaked raw rice and mix well. Close the pressure cooker and place the weight and cook for about 2 whistles on medium flame. Let the pressure release naturally. After about 10 minutes, open the lid and enjoy the perfectly cooked, non-sticky horsegram rice. It's just the way it should be. There you go, here is this nutritious and delicious horsegram rice that is ready to be served. This recipe is Ayurvedic friendly, especially for those with Kapha imbalance and low digestion. I hope this recipe supports your journey towards balance, nourishment and mindful living. So if you enjoyed all these recipes, subscribe to our channel and share these recipes with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay nourished and stay happy.